Bless lang. Unahin nyo muna yung bless. Unahin yung bless para makapagtakbo agad.
Yeah, we're going to 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, attack team. Guys, position yung magandahan natin yung pasok natin.
5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Help 1. Party 1 until 4, help 1. Party 1 until 4, help 1. 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock, 1 to 4.
Okay guys, PvP first. Okay. PvP first guys.
8 o'clock, party 1, 4. Until 4. 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. 1 until 4, 8 o'clock. Guys,
1 to 4, guys.
1 to 4.
Okay.
8 o'clock.
So, dito lang kami sa 8.
Oh, he already unsealed. Go 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Okay guys, it's ours.
7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Lian yung mid, walang nagde-rep pa.
Wait ka ba din? Nakatingin din ako.
Walang nagde-rep pa. Kaya nga kunin eh. Umiikot na nga sa atin eh.
How about chase me? How about me?
Meet just one party.
Okay. Okay. Sige. Ako na, Lian. Lian, ako na.
Party meet. Oh, he already unsealed.
Okay, we're training. Okay guys, ano ko lang B-Tower, sama sa akin, party ko lang. 1 o'clock B-Tower, walang contest to. Sponge, punta kayo na 1 B-Tower dun sa may 2 o'clock.
Okay, 2 o'clock, B-Tower.
Too many meet. Just leave meet. Just leave meet.
2 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Taking 7.
Kuha nung 2 o'clock na. Nakukuha na to.
Nandito kami.
7 o'clock draining. 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Okay, 8 o'clock is in.
Go 5.
Pyro, punta na kayo doon sa 5 o'clock. Sponge, pag nanalo kayo dyan, punta na 5 o'clock.
Nandito sila, meron sila dito, nandito sila.
Okay, kami na yung pupunta. Hindi lang to. Pyro, punta na 5 o'clock. Punta na 5 o'clock. John, punta na 5 o'clock.
Party 1 and 2, go 10 o'clock. Small, 10 o'clock.
Side, punta na 5 o'clock. Dinidrain ko lang to.
1 and 2. Small, go small.
Wala.
Dinidrain.
Train lang natin to, train lang natin.
Hindi, isa lang iwan nyo.
Jet, ikaw na muna dito. Ito na to. Una na kayo.
Okay, meet open.
Yeah.
Saka 11 o'clock, saka 5 o'clock.
May lumabas na ang A May lumabas na A.
Ayan, si Bogart, diyan ka lang muna, Bogart.
Sponge, 7 o'clock kayo, 11 o'clock kami.
Okay, 7 o'clock kami.
Party 2, get in small.
7, 8.
Makakante oh, daming wala tao sa dito.
Meet.
Libre meet.
1 and 3. Pre-meet.
Big party ko, nasa na kayo? Break and seal. Party ko.
They're going to mid
Walang, no contest.
They're going to mid. They're going to mid.
Yeah, they're going to meet. Like 11 o'clock, party.
Joe, party ko, nagrarally ako, nasan kayo?
3 until 5. 11 o'clock.
Nansin ko na to,
Jet, train ako ng Jet Galing ka.
Okay, nice and seal.
Tara.
Nice na naman tayo.
Iwaling ka dyan, iwaling ka taga-train.
I'm 11.
Sa 7 o'clock.
Ano, we're done at 11.
Okay.
Punta na ng B-Tower, Joe, dun sa may 1 o'clock. B-Tower. Punta na kayo dun.
Resu.
1 o'clock. 1 and 2, small. 1 and 2. 3 until 5, go ahead.
8 o'clock, Sponge. 8 o'clock, Sponge.
Okay, nandito na kami. 8 o'clock.
Oh, he already
Pa-
Labang tayo guys.
Party 44, go mid, party 4. Go mid.
Sponge, stay kasi 8 o'clock.
Nandito ako.
Party 4, go mid. Party 4.
Labangan pa guys, mainit yung kasi. Guys, labangan pa kayo. Guys, wala mag-engage guys ha. Wala mag-engage muna. Nice.
Okay, good. Party 5, going 5. Going 5. Party 5. Go. Now. Party 1 and 2. 1 o'clock. Party 1 and 2, 1 o'clock. Party 1 and 2.
My party, just my party, come with me. I'm rallying.
Yo. Coming. Party 1 and 2, 1 o'clock. Party 5, go 5 o'clock. Party 4, you can go into 9 o'clock. Getting swap.
So 80 points is coming, 80 points to. Atin to, guys. Labang na. Nice three.
Go.
Okay. 11 o'clock, party ko lang. Sponge, 11 o'clock tara. Rush natin.
Okay. Padarin ako niyan, ha? Ano, 8 o'clock.
Party 4, go to 8 o'clock.
Party 3.
Okay, may kalaban. BBB first, guys.
Party 3 until 5, go 1 o'clock. Getting A. Party 3 until 5. Party 1 until 5, go 1 o'clock.
Party 4 is training 8 o'clock.
Okay, they are getting what? Go mid 3.
Go.
Sponge, 11 lang.
Nandito ako.
3 and 4, go mid.
BBB first.
Mid, go mid. 3 to 4.
Sanctuary at the tower. Go.
Doram dead. BBB lang.
Dambantin.
Professor dead. Nice. Malaki na naman natin.
Party 4 and 5, go. Go 1. Retake 1. Retake 1. You leaving the...
Hansin natin to. Papaboring natin sa Sponge, dito lang muna.
Nandito ako.
Sige, nice. Ito lang tayo ready ha. Iwan lang, punta na kayo Sponge, lakad na kayo doon. Kami na mag-train.
Okay,
Lakad na kayo dito lang. Slow ha.
Yung mid nakuha ng mid nakuha yung ano.
Okay lang din.
Sige, command guys.
Go, fast. Party 1 until 2, getting small, 3 o'clock.
Party ko, stay tayo dito. Punta na
Party 1
party.
and 2.
Party 5, sige, okay lang.
Okay lang. Tayo mag-train.
You can go 5. Party 5, you can go 5. Get out, go.
Party 4, go 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock na tayo, Joe.
Ako na. Lian, ako na. Ako na sa B. Ako na yung sa B.
Tatlong party nakalaban, 8 o'clock.
Ako na sa B.
You can getting mid. You can retake mid. Only one party. Retake.
Joe, dead, mid daw kayo, dead.
Teka lang, kinukuha namin yung 5 o'clock. Yung B. Kinukuha namin yung B.
Marami sa inyo, pwede kayo kumuha dyan.
Sa party lang to.
Sige lang. Kas,
Party and mid. Just work with mid.
go mid. Party 4, go mid. I'll stay here. Go mid, guys. Kas. Go mid. Kas, go mid, Kas. I'll stay here.
Sponge, di kaya. Di tayo.
Okay, rebel.
Okay, go. 5 o'clock.
Kinukuha.
Okay. Go 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Madami sila sa 5, ha?
Party ko, train tayo. Ay, wala na. 11 o'clock party ko.
Marami sa 5, ha?
On 11 tayo. Alagaan natin na pa. Okay, mag-break away din na.
Sige lang. Hindi, kinukuha ko sa akin yung B. Ako lang mag-isa dito.
BBB first, 8 hours.
All party go mid. Ay, go 11 o'clock.
Hindi, wala. 11 o'clock tayo, 11 o'clock.
Okay, wala na, drain na.
Wala yung lamang.
Hindi, sa akin na. Nasa akin yung ano. Kaya pa.
Okay, 3.
Okay guys, speed ready, cheese. Speed ready.
Yeah.
Padaray na tayo.
Okay, takbo na kayo dun.
Kuha kami 7 o'clock.
Mag-training kayo.
Okay, party 1 until 2. Go small. At 1 o'clock. Party 1 until 2. 3 until 5. You can go in 11.
Nandito sila sa ano. So,
No. Move.
3 to 5 go to 11. 3 to 5 go to 11.
7 o'clock nagamit sila.
3 to 5 go 11. 3 to 5 go 11. Go 11, 3 to 5.
11 o'clock.
Go 11, 3 o'clock.
sila, ano, Iran.
3 to 5. 3 to 5 go ito 11. 3 to 5.
Tayo, meet tayo. Iwan niya.
Okay, iwan.
Meet tayo.
3 to 5 go 11. Ah,
Kukunin natin 8. Kukunin lang natin itong meet.
Meet just one party, guys.
No, but we would...
okay.
Dito kami, dito lang ready ah.
They already coming.
45 go 8. 45 go to 8. Party ko.
After meet.
Dito lang tayo.
Sleeping party 1 and 2 at meet. Everyone can go in 8.
8 o'clock.
You guys retake the
Amin yung 11 ha. Amin yung 11.
take the small. Take 5 small.
Asan yung mga party ko dito? Party 4. Ginaget yung 11.
Take the small.
Party 4.
Patulong sa 7, patulong sa 8 o'clock pala sa 8.
8 o'clock, cheese. Kung may backup pa.
Pareso nga.
Next, Andre.
Goddess, pareso ako, Goddess.
Mga opinan, nasa external.
Ano to? Ingat na. Meet again. Sige, laban ah. Meet. Sa party na sa meet.
Size. Circle. Sige, trade lang. Kailangan, 4 seconds punch. Takbo na kayo sa ano. Takbo na 5 o'clock punch.
5 o'clock, sige, kopya.
Party 4 go. Go 8.
Wala namang 5.
Ay, sorry, 7 o'clock. Sorry.
Ang dami dito sa 7. Sleeping one party at meet. You guys can go. Kasi nagsalita sila. Dito sila sa 7. Dito sila sa 7 lahat. 7 o'clock.
5 o'clock. 24 na lang yan. 5 o'clock na.
They are going mid. They are going mid. Don't beat. They are going mid. Retake first. Mid tayo, ano? Retake.
100 points to. Kunin lang namin to. Big na kayo sponge.
Okay, nasa mid kami.
Dalawang party lang sa mid. Ayun, dami.
Ang dami na, nandito na sila sa mid ah.
Ayan na, papunta na lahat.
Nag-train lang kami dito.
Atin to.
Ay, ito, kumagalaw. Okay.
Party.
Party
Wala
3
ka ba?
until 5. Party 3 until 5. 1 o'clock.
Kunin na natin yung 11 sponge. Kunin natin 11.
Okay, 11.
Bro, taking the medium, bro. Medium.
Yeah, we're taking the medium at 11 o'clock. You're taking the 1, right?
Yeah.
Alak na, paradarin na lang ako yung 11 ah.
Okay, takbo na kayo.
Oo, punta kami ng 1. Punta na kayo ng 1.
Nasawa na kami.
Mid party. Remember,
Go inside.
mid party. Ano po? Guys.
Okay, nice. DDL.
Still ano po?
Alak nila, alak.
Mid free. Only one party. At mid.
Mimi, party 4, go mid, party 4.
Yung party ko, punta mid.
Party 4, go mid. Party 4, go mid, go mid. Party 4. Pareso, pareso.
Kuha natin mid.
Kas, pareso ako, kas.
Ganun, tunay na sila. Nandito sila, ha? Give na namin tong 1 o'clock, ha? Tunay na pala.
First time score nila.
You can go 8. You can go 8. Ito po.
Too late, cheese. Sorry guys. Lumamang tayo 100. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari.
Already. Booking ina mo, MVP.
Lakas.